Car Microfiber Towels safely clean, polish, and dry surfaces without scratches, streaks, or lint residue. Today's video is about top 5 best Car's microfiber towels that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at the Rag Company Car's Microfiber Towels. The Rag Company Microfiber Polishing Towel is an excellent choice for anyone who wants professional quality detailing results. Made from a premium 70-30 microfiber blend with a 365 GSM density, it delivers a soft, scratch-free, and swirl-free finish that's safe for delicate paintwork. The edgeless, tagless design further reduces the risk of marring surfaces, making it ideal for high-end detailing. Its dual-pile construction is especially useful, with one side lifting dust and loose particles while the other buffs away wax, polish, sealant, and other detailing products with ease. Whether you're polishing chrome, cleaning wheels, performing waterless washes, or adding the final shine to your vehicle, this towel handles every task effectively. It remains durable through hundreds of washes and becomes even softer over time, offering outstanding long-term value. Overall, it's a reliable, high-performance microfiber towel trusted by detailers for achieving a flawless finish every time. Now our second product is Street Parts Car's Microfiber Towels. The Street Parts Microfiber Drying Towel is a premium detailing accessory that makes drying your vehicle fast and effortless. Its generous 24-inch by 36-inch size provides excellent coverage, allowing you to dry large cars, SUVs, and trucks with fewer passes. The twisted loop microfiber technology absorbs water quickly while gliding smoothly across paint, glass, and chrome without leaving streaks or water spots. Its scratch-free, edgeless design is gentle on delicate finishes, helping prevent swirls, lint, and surface damage during use. Built with reinforced fibers and durable stitching, this towel maintains its softness, absorbency, and shape even after repeated machine washes. It's also quick-drying and reusable, making it both eco-friendly and cost-effective. Whether you're drying your vehicle after a wash or giving it a final touch-up, this towel delivers professional quality results. Overall, it's a durable, highly absorbent, and reliable microfiber towel that's an excellent addition to any car care kit. Our third product is Carcarez Car's Microfiber Towels. These microfiber towels are an excellent choice for car enthusiasts and professional detailers alike. The 16x16-inch size offers a comfortable grip and great control, while the light blue color makes it easy to spot trapped dirt so you know when to switch to a clean side, reducing the risk of scratches. Made from premium 450 GSM microfiber, the towels feel exceptionally soft, thick, and highly absorbent, making drying and polishing faster and more effective. Their edgeless, tag-free, and seam-free design ensures a streak-free, scratch-free finish on paint, glass, chrome, and other delicate surfaces. They perform well for washing, drying, buffing, wax and polish removal, quick detailing, and interior cleaning. The dual-sided plush construction absorbs significantly more water than standard microfiber towels, helping reduce drying time. Machine washable and reusable, this 6-pack delivers outstanding durability, versatility, and value for any automotive detailing routine. Now number 4, Aidea Car's Microfiber Towels. The Aidea microfiber cleaning cloths are a versatile and dependable choice for both household and automotive cleaning. Made from premium microfiber, they offer excellent absorbency, quickly soaking up water, spills, and dirt for faster, more efficient cleaning. Their ultra-soft, lint-free, and non-abrasive texture is gentle on paint, glass, countertops, and other delicate surfaces, leaving a streak-free, scratch-free finish. These cloths are also durable enough to withstand hundreds of washes without shrinking or losing their cleaning performance, making them a cost-effective and eco-friendly option. The 5-color assortment is a practical feature that allows you to assign different colors to specific cleaning tasks, helping prevent cross-contamination. Whether you're drying a freshly washed car, polishing surfaces, cleaning windows, or tackling everyday household chores with just water, these towels deliver reliable results. Overall, they combine softness, durability, and versatility, making them an excellent addition to any cleaning kit. And our last choice is Airlab Car's Microfiber Towels. The Airlab microfiber towels are an excellent choice for achieving professional quality car detailing results. With an impressive 800 GSM thickness, these towels absorb large amounts of water almost instantly, making drying faster while leaving a spotless finish. The ultra-soft, lint-free microfiber is gentle on paint, glass, and chrome, helping prevent scratches, streaks, and swirl marks during cleaning or polishing. Measuring 16 by 16 inches, they're easy to handle and feature a convenient hanging loop for storage. Their dual-sided design makes them versatile enough for washing, drying, buffing, waxing, and final detailing on cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, and more. Reinforced stitching and durable construction allow the towels to withstand hundreds of machine washes without losing softness or absorbency, providing excellent long-term value. Whether used with or without cleaning products, these towels effectively lift dirt and moisture, making them a reliable addition to any car care routine. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.